Very good morning, students. I hope you all are very fine and taking care of your health. Okay, now see, I am going to start poem 3, The Shade. Okay, SHED, shade. First, I am reading the summary, and before that, I am reading these before poem lines. See, do you know what a shade is? A cow shed, a tool shed, a wood shed, for example. It's a small room away from the main house. Okay, what is a shed? In the old age, till now, nowadays in villages also, in some villages there you can see the sheds. Okay, instead of main house there is a small room nearby that house, nearby the main house, for storing or keeping things. For what is the purpose of shading? It is for keeping or storing things or for animals. If again the shade is there, it may be for animals, for tools, for vehicles, okay, etc. Ask your partner if she or he has ever seen a shade. Let her or him describe it to the class. Now I am reading the summary. Just pay attention on this page. The shade, Frank Flynn. Now see the summary. There is a small room for storing things. It is in one end of the garden. It is not used regularly as its door is locked. It has cobwebs over the door. The iron joints of the door are rusty. They make creaking sharp sound when the wind blows. Okay, shade is not a very packed thing like a main house. Main house door are very packed. So when the wind blow, the shade also make a creaking noise or sound. The narrator is curious to open the door one day to see what is stored there. One day the narrator opened the shade's door. There is a shade in front of his main house. Okay, and the narrator, the poet, opens once that shade to see that what it contains. Okay, or what is stored there. On one side of the shade is an old window covered with dust. It has 3 glass panes which are cracked. The narrator thinks that someone is looking at her whenever she goes that way. She plans to look through that window one day into the room. Okay, now the narrator tries, I will go in that shade, and the narrator thinks that someone is looking at her. Okay, narrator thinks that whenever I entered in that shade, someone has an eye on me. Someone keep an eye on me. Someone looking at me whenever I went to the shade. Now she plans to look through the window one day into the room. What happened next? See. Her brother tells her that there is a ghost in the storeroom. Okay, what her brother told her? There is a ghost in the storeroom. It hides under the old wooden floorboards. He tries to frighten her. He tells her that she must never try to enter the room because the ghost will attack her and break her head. Okay, her brother now frightened to the narrator, frightened to the Frank. How? In this way, her brother told him, don't go in that storeroom. There is a shade, but the ghost is there, and whenever you will enter in that shade, that ghost will attack on you. But the girl is brave enough. But narrator is brave enough. She is determined to look into the shade. और उसने पक्का कर ही लिया था कि कुछ भी हो जाए, I will look into the shade. She knows that her brother is a liar. Okay, liar means to say lie. उसको पता था her brother is a liar. There is no ghost in the shade. It is only a hiding place for him. What is the place? It is just a hiding place for her brother at the time of hide and seek. Nobody is looking out at her. Nobody makes noises. Even the spider has gone from the web. So the narrator makes up her mind to walk into that shade. But she is not in a hurry to execute her plan. बट वो उसका डर निकल चुका है, ये भी उसको अपने भाई को बताना नहीं था. एंड ऑफ द पोएम इज लाइक दैट कि वो डरी हुई नहीं थी. भाई ने काफ़ी ट्राई किया उसको डराने का, बट शी वॉज नॉट फ्राइटन एट ऑल. बट शी वॉज नॉट एग्री विथ हिम. देयर इज अ घोस्ट. शी वॉज वेरी ब्रेव and she was not in a hurry that she will tell her brother, I am not frightened. Okay, likewise. Now I am going to start the poem. See the poem. There's a shade at the bottom of our garden with a spider's web hanging across the door. As you also know, shade is a place which our mother or the persons in our house, they don't clean regularly. So there was a spider's web hanging across the door. The hinges are rusty. You know hinges? Hinges here means joints. Okay, दरवाजे के जो joints होते हैं ना वो. Hinges are rusty. They were rusty. उनको जंग लग गया था. And creak in the wind. When the wind blow, it make a creak sound. When I am in the bed, I lie and I listen. I will open that door one day. जब भी रात को मुझे नींद नहीं आती थी, poet is saying, जब भी रात को मुझे नींद नहीं आती थी तो मैं सोचती थी कि एक दिन तो ये शेड का दरवाज़ा मैं खोलूंगी. Okay, now what happened next? There is a dusty old window around at the side with 3 cracked panes of glass. There is a dusty old window. In that shade, there is a dusty, it means covered with dust. And cracked means broken. That window was old and dusty. And cracked panes of glass. उसके जो glass थे, you know glass, खिड़की के शीशे है ना, तो वो ग्लास सब टूटे हुए थे. दे वेर ब्रोकन. पेन्स ऑफ ग्लास. आई ऑफन थिंक देयर इज समवन स्टेरिंग एट मी ईच टाइम दैट आई पास. आई ऑफन थिंक देयर इज समवन स्टेरिंग एट मी ईच टाइम दैट आई पास. जहाँ मुझे ऐसा लगता था जब भी मैं वो शेड के पास जाती हूँ, कोई ना कोई मुझे वहां से घूरता है. ओके, समवन इज देयर स्टेरिंग एट मी. स्टेरिंग एट, दिस इज अ फ्रेज एंड इट मीन्स लुक एट समवन कंटिन्यूअसली. स्टेरिंग एट मी ईच टाइम दैट आई पास. आई विल पिप थ्रू दैट विंडो वन डे. फिर एक दिन मैंने क्या किया, आई डेयर एंड आई विल पिप. पिप मीन्स झांकना. आई विल पिप थ्रू दैट विंडो वन डे. वो जो टूटा फूटा शीशा था उसमें से मैंने वो स्टोर रूम में झांक कर देख लिया. ओके, नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टॉप हियर. इन नेक्स्ट आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू अनदर 2 stanza.